PHIX is a world-leading independent foundry for the assembly and packaging of photonic integrated circuits, commonly abbreviated as PHIX. In our state-of-the-art facility in Enschede, the Netherlands, we build optoelectronic modules around our clients' PHIX to support their groundbreaking innovations in areas such as LiDAR, optical transceivers, medical devices and quantum computing. Our microassembly activities involve making connections to other PHIX, to DC and RF electronics, optical fiber arrays and other components. In addition, our packages often provide thermal management, mechanical support and environmental sealing. Apart from ramping up our production to higher volumes for our commercial customers, we are an active participant in European and national research projects. Here, we develop the next generation of photonics packaging building blocks and manufacturing processes. Powered by a strong ecosystem of companies and research institutes covering the entire value chain, these projects drive countless new advancements in photonic chip technology. Whether the objective is to build drone-mounted terahertz transceivers or revolutionary quantum photonic processors, these collaborations continue to push the limits in areas like hybrid or heterogeneous integration and advanced electrical interfacing. In preparing these novel integrated photonic technologies for future markets, PHIX contributes vital knowledge and expertise in the areas of manufacturability and scalability. We look forward to working with you. Let us together build tomorrow's disruptive technology.